Hey boys and girls, Mrs. Weiland here. I'm going to teach you how to make your own pizza box solar oven nachos. If you're anything like our family, you've probably been eating a lot of pizza lately. It's fast, it's quick, and honestly, it's just easy to be delivered to our house. Well, the other day we had Domino's and I had 3 boxes left over to throw into the recycling bin. But guess what? I decided let's repurpose them since we've talked a ton about that at RIF Day. And I found this really cool science activity that I want to show you so you can try too. Here we go. Here are the materials you're going to need. You're going to need a pizza box, a pencil or a marker, a box cutter or some kind of crafting knife that your parents will help you with, aluminum foil, scissors, glue, black construction paper, some tape, saran wrap, and some kind of a stick to hold open the box. You're also going to eventually need a sunny day, but if you're like me and you don't have a sunny day today, you can actually get it all prepped and ready and then use it when a sunny day comes. Step 1, you're going to draw a square on top of the pizza box that's about 1 to 2 inches smaller than the box itself. This is where your parents are going to come in and help by using the box cutters to cut along the line on the right, the left, and the bottom of the box, creating a flap. Do not cut that top line. I almost did it, and then I had to think, nope, I need a flap. So be super careful. Don't cut that top line. Your next step is to cover the underside of the flap and the inside of the box with foil, shiny side out. Try to keep it as smooth as possible, and then you're going to glue it down so it doesn't fall off. I even secured mine on the back side with a little bit of tape just to hold it. Step 3, you're going to coat the inside of the box with black construction paper, gluing it into the bottom so it stays put. I also happen to have some electrical tape, so I actually used that to hold it because it was black just like the paper. But we want to have that dark surface because I'm sure many of you have heard when you wear black outside on a summer day, you get hot because it attracts the sun. Step 4, you're going to tape the saran wrap to the lid of the box to seal the opening created by the flap. The seal should be as airtight as possible. I wanted to make sure that it was really tight and warm in there, so I actually did 2 layers to hold the heat in even better. Step 5, place your oven outdoors in the direct sunlight on a hot day. So like I said, I waited for another day and I decided to finally get it outside because it ended up being sunny out. Yay! While it was outside, I got the materials for my nachos, some chips and cheese. Step 6, you're going to put it inside your box and close the lid on the box. Make sure you prop the flap open with your stick. Leave your nachos to cook for about 30 minutes. Now note, the cook time is dependent on the amount of sun and heat outside. The day I did it, it was a little more windy, so it did take a little over an hour to melt my cheese. But if you compare my first picture to my second picture, notice how that cheese has melted. Step 7, add your fixings, lettuce, sour cream, tomatoes, salsa, etc., guacamole if you have it, and then you just get to enjoy your nachos. Now the big question is, how does this solar oven work, right? It's cool and all, and it's tasty treat, but we need to understand it. Well, solar ovens are a sunlight-powered heating unit made to warm up and bake foods. Professional solar ovens can be used for a wide range of things. However, these DIY solar ovens are much simpler and less sophisticated type of a product. They use foil and black paper to attract the sun's rays and then reflect and then release the heat back onto the food as we cook it. So notice the sun hits the tinfoil, which then shoots it down to the black construction paper where your food is to warm up that space. Now, some of you might be saying, well, what if we only have cloudy days and I'm getting really anxious to make nachos? Well, they may work, they probably won't work as well, and it will also take more time. So if you can hold out, aim to have a full sunlight day whenever possible, and it will give you faster results. Now, we want to see pictures of you trying it. Please send your teachers pictures of your solar ovens, and then start thinking about what other foods you can make in it. Maybe s'mores? Let us know what you try out. Have a great day and enjoy your solar oven. Bye, guys.